Hello all, you're on the Androidncomp channel. In this video I will tell you how to solve the problem of non-functional wired connection of your phone to your computer or laptop. Link to the article and other useful materials in the description of the video. Solution 1. Reconnecting. A system or hardware failure prevents the connection from being established the first time. In this case, you have to disconnect and reconnect the cable to the same or neighboring USB socket of PC or notebook. If the problem is not solved, restart the phone and then reconnect again. Solution 2. Change the cable. For wired connection, it is better to use original USB cable coming with the phone, as cheap USB cables often have faulty data transfer. Manufacturers of such USB wires save on materials and add only 2 wires instead of 4. Therefore, replacing the USB cable often helps to solve the wired connection problem. Solution 3. Change the connection mode. If the computer detects the connection and only charges the phone, then you need to change the connection mode. To do this, you should expand the status bar, click on the choice to change the connection mode, and in the window or menu that appears, select the desired connection mode. Solution 4. Install or update the USB driver. The USB driver of your computer or laptop may not work. Therefore, it is necessary to install or reinstall the computer USB driver. You can download the driver from the laptop or motherboard manufacturer's official website. The model name can be found on the computer's motherboard or laptop casing. Next, download and install the latest available version of the USB driver. After installing or updating the driver, it is necessary to restart the system. Solution 5. Phone USB port repair. Intensive usage, dropping your phone on the ground, or exposure to moisture often causes phone's USB port to break. As a result, USB port doesn't work. Therefore, to restore it, you may need to resolder the connector, remove oxide on the board, or replace the board with a connector. You may need to contact a service center or repair shop for diagnosis and troubleshooting, since repairing most phone models at home is quite problematic. That's all I wanted to tell and show you. Give your support to this channel, give a like to this video, subscribe to the channel and write a comment below the video. Also click on the bell not to miss new videos posted on this channel, and also watch other equally interesting and useful videos on this channel. Thanks for your attention and see you soon.